We come back to you for our next discussion as well. Now, staying in China, Beijing has vowed to take necessary measures to protect the interests of its companies following Panama's Supreme Court decision to annul contracts allowing Hong Kong-based CK Hutchison to operate key ports at the Panama Canal. Let's listen in.
相信你注意到，有关企业已经第一时间发表声明，表示该裁决有悖于巴拿马方面批准相关特许经营权的法律。 企业将保留包括诉讼法律程序在内的所有权利。中方将采取一切必要措施，坚决维护中方企业正当合法权益。
This ruling, which targets the laws supporting operations at the Bilbao and Cristobal ports, comes a year after U.S. President Donald Trump's claims that China was controlling the vital waterway. CK Hutchison, through Panama Ports Company, has managed the port since the 1990s and was negotiating a $22.8 billion deal to sell its global port operations to a consortium led by U.S. investment firm BlackRock and China's COSCO. While Panama has repeatedly rejected claims of Chinese control over the canal, the decision may disrupt the ongoing deal. Chinese officials have expressed their discontent, and Hong Kong has rejected the court's ruling, arguing it could harm Panamanian families dependent on the port. Now, for this discussion, we welcome back Professor Georgi Toleraya. He's a professor at Russia Academy of Science, joins us live. Thank you very much, Professor, for joining us and staying with us. Now, what more can you tell us about this particular port in Panama?
Well, the Hutchison company has been chosen through what they said is a transparent and legal process, and they operated, and so it's obviously not the independent decision by the Panama government. It may look independent, and Panama says it operates Panama Canal channel by itself and will do so. But anyway, we can see that there's U.S. pressure in order to limit the Chinese influence. Even if it's a Hong Kong company, still it's they see China behind it, to limit the Chinese influence and control of the strategic water artery.
Right. And this says that, the reports show that it's been controlled since the 1990s. So why is suddenly U.S. alarmed by so many places where China has held a foothold now for a long time?
The U.S. is trying hard to dismantle and to disrupt Chinese influence, Chinese control wherever it was, regardless of the legality of this control, regardless of how long it had been exercised. So they'll try to hurt China and to disrupt Chinese control any way possible, in every way where it's possible. We shouldn't doubt it.
And also, they are trying to sell. Negotiating this deal to sell to consortium led by U.S. investment firm BlackRock and China's COSCO. So at the end of the day, China is still involved. Why so?
BlackRock and the other 3 or 4, 5 investment companies, they control all the big businesses. So whenever there is any globally, so whenever you see something which is of importance to the global economy, you sure will have these or other similar investment companies behind them. So there's nothing so much surprising.
All right. Thank you very much. With that, I'd like to thank Professor Georgi Toleraya for joining us today and sharing that insight throughout.